My name is Donnalee Donaldson. I was 24 years old when I went missing on July 11th, 2022 in Kingston, Jamaica. It was the day after my birthday. With my little black bag clutched tightly in my arms, my mother last saw me when I went into my boyfriend Noel's BMW. He is a Jamaican police officer who I had been with for 3 years. I told her that I would be back the next day. I couldn't even imagine what was waiting on me there. We got to his apartment and spent time together as we always did. But something sinister was brewing. At times, his baby mother would come to his place when I was there to fight me. How does she know? At 8 a.m. the next day, I called my mother. I told her to feed my dog China and that I will be home soon to walk her myself. Little did I know those were the final words that she would hear from me. My brother from Cleveland called at around 4 p.m. and we spoke briefly. He called my mother after and told her to call me to take her to the hospital. I didn't pick up that call. When I didn't return home, my mother was worried. Something truly sinister had happened to me. As the night dragged on, she became overwhelmed with fear because my phone was now off. Noel called my mother around 11:30 p.m. He told her that I had left with a friend. That was a lie. My mother caught him in many more lies surrounding my disappearance. He spoke about a phone call that I had with my father to pick up birthday money from MoneyGram. The thing is, that phone call happened at 1 p.m., long after he claimed that I had left his house. I didn't get the chance to enjoy my Earth Strong properly or even collect the money my father sent. My life was robbed, and now I watch in silence. Please, don't forget me.